What up? It's Creepo. I haven't been on YouTube for a while and I was listening to some beats. I like this one, so I felt like spitting on it. Uh, I like to smoke pot. I'ma roast the bowl till the roach rots. Wipe up your block just so my flow you can never mock. I am mighty as a rock. Matter of fact, a boulder. I am colder than the cold shoulder, and I am never left sober. So red rover, I'ma make these fuckers glow over. I mean, till he ain't got the fucking leverage to fall over, and I'm never out of luck, kinda like a four-leaf clover. Plus, I'ma keep burying these fucks. Bitches, it's red October. But matter of fact, I'ma calm the fire just a little, so I can spit my fucking flow till I ain't got the spittle. Maybe I will just spit it in a riddle, cause I feel 10 feet tall. I'm standing over you motherfuckers, ready to overthrow you all. Y'all can't even reach my motherfucking balls. At this mental state, I'ma raise the crime rate at my pace. In each state, I can see your fate, your past, presence, and your future. I'ma scoop you up like parts to a broken computer. Don't you get it? I mean, how can you not? I spit bars that are hot while you faggots are down sucking cock. But I don't mean to offend. Fuck it. Matter of fact, I do. I'm just spitting it true. This is for the thugs, pushers, and the chosen few. Uh, peace.